into limelight when I adopted this village. Now internationally this village is known. Two things I am proposing to the Ministry Government of India, and also I will solicit the support of the state government, that for others the whistling characteristic is a kind of curiosity and knowledge and entertainment. But for us it is a characteristic and civilizational thing. So a laboratory and museum should be established in Kongthong. And all other villages which are claiming that they are whistling villages, they should be attached to that. So there should be research and development of this whistling. They're also keeping records of the whistling so that posterity should know. And we should protect it, one. Second thing, that we have to develop the sites in Kongthong so that the tourism will increase and the earning from tourism will also increase. The economic empowerment of the people. What is that? I have gone to the many sites. So we can create a sunrise site, sunset site. We can also create a site where outsiders can come for picnic, for honeymoon sites, for picnic sites, for birthday sites, and everything would be based on the commercial basis. Minimum charges will be taken, so that the people there will find employment, and no outside food would be allowed. Then local food industry will develop, local food will be popularized. So my every focus is protecting nature without disturbing nature, rather strengthening nature, and also protecting the food culture and other dimensions of culture. One more important thing for Kongthong is that profiling the earning of the per family earning. Just now I came to know, but it's not scientific, that it is just, I asked people, say 3,000-4,000 per month. So it must be 10,000 per month, minimum 10,000 per month for a small family. So for that we will work. These are the issues before Kongthong, and if we develop the Kongthong a better sites for tourism, I think its earning will be more than 10 districts of Meghalaya.